Welcome to Concrete News Now. This is the Daily Brief. Every day we cut through press releases, buzzwords, and speculation to focus on what actually matters. What's changing, why it matters, and what comes next. I'm Rachel Hayes. Let's get started.
Tonight, a weirdly promising twist in the fight to make construction greener and stronger. Researchers may have found a way to turn quarry waste, the stuff most people call dirt, into better cement. That's right, waste that used to pollute landscapes could end up reinforcing buildings. Here's the deal. The global construction industry uses an estimated 50 billion tons of sand each year, a number so high it's reshaping riverbeds and coastal ecosystems around the world. Sand isn't infinite. That pressure has pushed engineers to look for alternatives. A new study published in Scientific Reports tested quartz quarry dust, a byproduct of stone crushing, as a partial replacement for the sand in mortar. When researchers replaced about 10% of traditional sand with this fine dust, their lab mortar got 71% stronger at 28 days compared to normal mixes. That's a leap most construction materials engineers would call significant. Not all results were perfect. More dust made the mix harder to handle, and too much led to internal voids. But at the right sweet spot, compressive strength. That's the ability to withstand crushing. Jumped from 10.8 megapascals to 18.5 megapascals. Flexural strength, resistance to bending, improved too. Why this matters. Extracting natural sand wrecks riverbeds and marine habitats, especially in Asia and Africa. Using quarry dust, which often just sits in piles, tackles waste and cuts pressure on ecosystems. That's aligned with circular economy thinking. Reuse what you already have before digging up more. Engineers also found the dust makes the mortar denser and less porous, which can mean longer-lasting structures. But workability dropped a bit, so builders will have to tweak how they mix and handle this material. The bottom line? This isn't ready for skyscrapers yet, and it's still a lab result. But turning quarry residue into better mortar could change how we think about waste in infrastructure. Sources close to the industry say next steps will involve real-world testing in actual construction conditions, long-term durability studies, and scaling the method for concrete, not just mortar. That's the latest on innovations that could make building materials both stronger and more sustainable. More on this as it develops.
And that's it for today's Daily Brief. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Join me again tomorrow for the latest in Concrete News Now.